What did I say?
During the meanwhilest.
During the meanwhilest? No, I don't
No.
like that at all.
Well, hello. It is Dexter and me with a substitute video, really. This isn't the video I had planned as a Halloween special. But I'll tell you why in a minute. It all went wrong on location. And rather than having a blank Tuesday, especially as I'm going to have the rest of all of November off before embarking on another hopeful advent calendar throughout December. I didn't want to leave you with a blank sort of Tuesday, so instead of the intended video, I've made quite a few changes, as you know, to my desk setup lately. So I figured I'd talk you through that. I'm a little bit disappointed though, because we went to a local churchyard earlier. Well, Dexter and I, the family wouldn't come; they were creeped out for some reason. It turns out I don't know, they may have had a point, because we got there, and within seconds of starting to record with my GoPro, the battery went from 100% to naught, like that, in absolutely no time at all. Quite unbelievable. I didn't have a spare with me, so I couldn't record any video at the graveyard. And then I took my camera out to take some pictures, and the card corrupted. You couldn't make it up, because I took two cameras with me. I took my digital, my XH2, and I also took my Fujica 6. Oh, bloody hell. This has been happening all day as well. The lights have been cutting out. Hang on a minute, I need to go to the fuse box and put it right. Hang on a second. Sorry about that. It's a good job these phones have got torches on these days. I changed the bulbs in this light this week for LED ones, and I think that's what's been causing the trip out today. But like I said, I went to the graveyard. Everything started to go wrong. I don't know if I've said this bit before now, but my GoPro stopped working. The battery just ran down immediately, and then the both memory cards on my XH2, actually, the CF Express card and my SD card, both would you believe, corrupted. Unbelievable. And then to cap it all, I felt like I was being watched all the time when I was there. It was horrible. A real feeling of dread and being watched, and it's kind of continued since I got home. Anyway, as I was saying, I wanted to take some pictures with my Fujica 6. Oh, it's gone again. Hang on, I'm probably gonna give up on this video and not actually put it out, but there we are. We'll see. Right, back to the fuse box. I don't really understand, because you'd think it would go when I was flicking a switch, and not when when I'm saying the word, that word, the S word. Anyway, my Fujica 6. Oh, that's it.